Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn English sentences for daily use. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So without wasting of time, let's begin. तुमने उसे क्या सिखाया? What did you teach him? What did you teach him? Teach means सिखाना. वो सब कुछ जानता है. He knows everything. He knows everything. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? Where are you going? मैं बाहर जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go outside. I want to go outside. Outside mean बाहर. अगले हफ्ते मिलते हैं. See you next week. See you next week. आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? Say mean कहना. हफ्तावार छुट्टी कैसी गुजरे? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? आप क्या करना चाहते हैं? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? मेरे साथ गड़बड़ मत करो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Mess mean गड़बड़ करना. मैं नहीं समझा. I do not understand. I don't understand. मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather? How is the weather? Weather mean मौसम. आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? आपका नाम क्या है? What's your name? What's your name? आपका फ़ोन नंबर क्या है? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? ये सड़क कहाँ तक जाती है? Where does this road lead to? Where does this road lead to? ये सड़क आवाम के लिए बंद है. This road is closed for the public. This road is closed for the public. Public mean आवाम. तुम्हारी ये कहने की हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you say that? How dare you say that? खामोश बैठो वरना यहाँ से निकल जाओ. Sit silent, otherwise get out from here. Sit silent, otherwise get out from here. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अल्लाह हाफिज़.